Look at this query and its result. Select first name, last name, employee ID, manager ID from employees. Here, Nina's employee ID is 101. Her manager's ID is 100. And that would be Steven, because his employee ID is 100. So you can deduce that if an employee ID such as 100 is part of this manager ID, then that employee is a manager. Now I want to find out the details of those who are managers. For that, I can use this SQL, which is select first name, last name, phone number from employees, where employee ID in select manager ID from employees. Let me run this. Basically, I need to tell, bring me the information of those whose employee ID is present in the manager ID column. Again, whose employee ID is present in the manager ID column. I can do it effectively by using this subquery, select manager ID from employees, which will bring me a set of manager IDs like this. Now I need to bring the results of every rows whose employee ID is present in the set brought by this inner query by using the condition where employee ID in select manager ID from employees. Let me run it again. So it brings me the result of just the managers. This is an example of using subquery in the where class. Thank you for watching.